everyone, it's me again, Beth from Sweet Hearts Hair with the beautiful Freya, and today we're going to be doing a braided updo, no curls, no back comb again, so super easy. And I'd like to ask you a question. Would you say this style would be bridal or wedding guest style? So let me know in the comments. Okay guys, so I'm just using my fingers for this style. You can use a comb if you want to, just kind of dragging the hair in the direction that I want it to go. Like I say, I'm opting for no back comb today, but if you wanted a little bit of extra height on here, you just add a little bit of back comb into that area. So I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to leave out a chunk of hair on this right hand side. Yeah, probably about that much to be fair. Just going to pop in a bubble. And then you can just kind of just turn Freya there. And you can just add a little bit of sort of softness to the style just by teasing it up a little bit. That's optional. Next I'm going to take a topsy tail. So this you can get on eBay and Amazon. You can just use your fingers to pull it through, to be fair, but I've just found it a little bit easier to use this tool. So I'm putting it in that way. Placing the ponytail through like that. And just gently working it through, pulling it through all the way, like so. Now what you're going to do is you're going to connect these two sides together using a braid, and I'm just going to use a French braid method, okay? So I'm just going to break that into two, and then I'm going to take a small section from over here and make that as my third one. So this one's my middle section, so I'm going to cross it over the middle, cross it over the middle, cross it over the middle, and then going to take another section from over here and add it in. Cross it over the middle, and we're going to keep on adding from this side. So it's just a French braid, guys, okay? So over the middle. My friend Anne on Two Little Girl Hairstyles will have a great French braid tutorial if you struggle. But I want this style to be kind of fast. I want you to be thinking, if you're styling somebody's hair and you haven't got a lot of time, this is a great updo to try. So we just keep adding from both sides. All the way across, and all will become clear in a minute of why it's going to look more like an updo, because we're going to start taking these sections and just teasing them out a little bit. Last one going in here. And then we'll just take this braid down. Little top tip, guys, I feel like this one's a little bit thin, so I'm going to pass it over, and then this one's a bit fatter, so I'm just going to borrow a little bit and put it into that one, and then just carry on braiding. Now you're going to get this tail, guys, we're going to bring it this way. I might just kind of tuck that bit under, and then this tail's going to come back through the start. So you're just going to kind of tuck it down here, all the way down, and then you'll just get your grips, and that is literally taken about 2 minutes, which is always nice. I don't like these updos that take about 5 hours, guys, I've got to say, they're not for me. And then I'm just going to play with it now. You know me, if you've watched me for a while, I just kind of faff with styles until I like them. Now I kind of like the fact that there's bits of flyaways, but there's a difference between having bits of flyaways and it looking messy. So I'm just taking the Sexy Hair dry wax spray and just misting it over a little bit, and then just using, it's not my comb, it's the topsy tail, but a comb or your fingers, And just making sure that although you don't mind a few little flyaways, it doesn't actually look messy. So that's the style finish, guys. Please let me know in the comments if you think it is bridal or more wedding guest. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video.